In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to create a new Mobile Legends account. So let's hop straight into the video. Go ahead and download and open the app. Next, tap the settings icon. So this is your profile page. Scroll down and tap on account. If you look at the top, you'll see that you're using a guest account. To fix this, you'll need to create an account. Click on Moonton account and tap connect. Now, you'll need to add in your email and create a password. Once you've done this, you'll need to check your verification. To do this, check your email, and it should look something like this. Hit activate now. And the page should look like this. Now, when you head back to the app and you see this page, if you want to add your TikTok page to your account, you can do that too. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.